My name is John Gitaka. I'm the coach of the Kenyan team in the 64th World Ploughing Championship being held at Ngongeri Farm, Egerton University. We have 2 ploughmen that will be using conventional type of moldboard ploughs, and we are hoping that we'll do a little bit better than they have been doing whenever they go the other countries outside. In Africa, we only have Kenya represented. It's the one that has been represented for most of the years. And for you to be represented, you have to be a member. Right now, we are members of KPO, Kenya Ploughing Organization, that is affiliated to ASK. The ASK organize while they get the technical staff from the Ministry of Agriculture. We are hoping, from what we have seen, now, you see the way they plough in Europe and here is a bit different. But now, because of the competition, we are trying even to lower the depth so that we can be at par with them. When you have a proper depth, you provide enough soil for the seeds. But when you have very narrow soil, when you have very narrow depth of ploughing, the amount of soil produced is very little, so you don't have proper germination. And then the field should be uniform. Maybe I didn't say that. When you are doing it, you should have a uniform field, and you should have straight furrows, yeah, with the minimal weeds like that. Yeah, it's supposed so that you can have uniform germination. And then, as I said, you are not supposed to turn the slices upside down. You keep them at an angle so that air can penetrate and then allow the grass or the weeds to rot, to form manure. Instead of burning, once you do that, whatever grass will have rotten will become manure, farm manure. We don't advise people to burn.
I'm from Austria. I'm WPO board member for Austria, and at this competition I'm also acting as head steward. Now I have been here for more than 2 weeks, and I enjoyed it as far. I enjoyed it very much.
On behalf of the World Ploughing Organisation, it's an honour and a privilege to stand here and welcome all competitors, coaches, judges and visitors to the 64th World Ploughing Contest here at Egerton University. The first World Ploughing Championship was held in Canada in 1953 with 12 countries competing. 64 years later, we have competitors from 22 countries from all around the world. I extend a very special warm welcome to them and their travelling friends. A contest like this could not occur without the dedication and commitment of a team of people, all ensuring everything has been thought of and is in place to ensure the event is a success. I take this opportunity to thank the members of Kenya Ploughing Organisation, along with the landowners, Egerton University, the sponsors, the local community, and last but not least, the competitors and their supporters from around the world. The WPO motto is Pax Ava Calais, let peace cultivate the field. May this event be a symbol of peace in our restless world. Let us encourage fellowship and understanding amongst the people from so many different nations, all gathered together. I wish the competitors all the best in tomorrow's and Saturday's competition, and may your furrows be straight and firm and to the best of your ability. I have pleasure in declaring the 64th World Ploughing Contest open and ask the competitors to raise your flags and let the contest begin. And I also ask Rasmus Målhaus from Norway and Jim Sash from Canada to please raise the WPO flag.